In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a workspace in Notion step by step. This is useful if you have old workspaces you no longer use, test workspaces you want to clean up, or if you're managing multiple teams and need to permanently remove one. Deleting a workspace in Notion is a serious action, so I'll also explain what to double-check before you do it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you are logged into the Notion account that owns the workspace you want to delete. Only workspace owners can delete a workspace, so if you don't see the option later, that's usually the reason. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your Notion screen. You'll see your current workspace name highlighted. Go ahead and click on that workspace name. This opens the Workspace Switcher and Management menu. Next, with that menu open, click into the Search or Command area and type Delete Workspace. This helps you quickly locate the correct workspace settings instead of manually browsing through menus. As you type, Notion will start filtering relevant options. From the list that appears, click on the workspace entry that matches the one you want to remove. After selecting it, look for the letter A icon or Workspace Avatar and click on it. This opens the Workspace Control panel. From here, click on Settings. This takes you into the main settings area for the workspace. Inside Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on General. The General section contains high-level workspace options, including name, domain, and deletion settings. Scroll down carefully until you find the option related to deleting or updating the workspace status. When you're ready, click on Update or the Delete Workspace option shown on your screen. Notion will warn you that deleting a workspace is permanent and cannot be undone. Take a moment here to make sure you've exported any important pages, transferred ownership if needed, and confirmed this is the correct workspace. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the workspace will be permanently removed from your Notion account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Notion. If this video saved you time or helped you avoid confusion, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.